everyone, welcome to another of today's 26th of September. Today is Tuesday and I'm back with a new video. Really excited, although I'm not going out anywhere just like any other offs. I don't know, I just don't feel like going out anywhere because I think it's just about the job, how we work. We are not at home most of the time. We go out, work, go to different places, and when it's off, you know, you want to relax yourself, you want to calm yourself down and just sit at home and just relax. So I think it's about that. I have coconut water with me, it's quite full. I'm happy. I feel happy today. I feel motivated because my skin is doing good. I'm feeling good from inside. Mentally I'm doing good and everything's just going good. Work wise also it's going great. Also I'm really excited about next month because our beauty roster just got released for October and I have Doha layover. I hope it gets maintained and I'm really excited about everything. I was talking about my skin doing good. It's actually doing good. I have no makeup on my face at this moment and I feel that it has gone so much better when I joined as a cabin crew. That time during my training it was good, but after I started flying we had to wear mask, and because of that I had lots of acne marks on my face. I got acne and it left marks on my face and it has started to fade away, and I'm really happy that my skin is doing so much better now. It's 3:30 in the afternoon and I was just lying down on my bed using my phone and doing nothing. So I think I really need coffee right now to wake myself up, and also I need to take shower. So first I'm going to make my coffee, which is like my all-time favorite. I absolutely love iced coffee. I do not drink much. I just drink like twice a week because I don't get much time here at home. Also I have to wash my makeup brushes. It's time to taste it. It's so good. It's so good, I can't even tell you. My skincare is done. I'm just gonna sit down for some time and then wash my makeup brushes. Also, I'm not sure what am I gonna eat for dinner. My flatmate doesn't want to have food because she's already quite full after lunch. So probably I'll make some khichdi and then eat because that'll be the quickest I can make. Yeah, khichdi will be better. I broke my glass jar. I did not see that it was next to my bed and it just fell. I'm making overnight oats for myself. I don't like to eat it every single day. I only make it like twice a week or so. It's for my breakfast for the next day.